Kaya nga po, we really encourage people to complain. Kasi based on our experience, the report is really involving yung dun sa lower level. Doon talaga nag-umpisa yun. Kaya the sooner that this gets addressed, para hindi po lumawak pa yung pressure. We have to address it and we have to nip at the bud, so to speak. Doon mismo natin, kaya kailangan po talaga na report natin. Kasi sometimes, just by a simple indiscretion by a person below, like yung evaluator, stuck doon. At yung mga tao, siyempre hindi nila buong ahensya na kaagad. Well, in fact, yung problema pala, doon sa baba. Kaya pag nakatanggap kami ng reklamo at i-report natin yan, at nagkaroon tayo ng schedule tayo ng preparatory meeting or hearing, talagang chances are, this is immediately acted upon. Dahil alam natin na under the Citizen Charter, merong standard processing time yun. At bawal po na ni-require natin additional document o may pinapabalik-balik. Kaya pag na-identify natin yung person, na-identify natin yung in-action na kagad yun, they know that this is strictly prohibited in the Citizen Charter. Sometimes it's not fair to condemn the whole bureaucracy for being corrupt. Sometimes it's just doon sa baba ang problema. At base sa aming experience, kapag nireklamo ito, na-action na naman kagad. Kaya we really encourage the people to let us know so that we can address whatever it is, whether it's the issue, red tape, pinapabalik-balik, additional requirement, additional fee. Even kung may corruption issue, you report to us so that we can immediately complain. Hindi po dapat tayo pinapabayaan lang na kumalat itong mga bali-balita nito. Sama-sama tulungan natin. Kung gusto natin mabigyan ng immediate and lasting solution to the issue, let's help one another. Isang guni yan, ipaalam sa atin. Meron pong mga nakapaskil. Meron tayong hotline. Meron tayong email. Napakadali po mag-complain. All you have to do is complain so that we can act on it immediately instead of just condemning the whole system. Sabihin ito, kaya siya na ito, corrupt, etc. Kaya, oo, di ba?
Sir, yung identity ko na complainant will remain confidential?
It is requested kasi yun ang minsan ang apprehension sa makabalikan. So we can conduct investigation sa motu proprio by acting on a tip or information. We can keep the identity of the informant confidential. Tapos pag based on that information, we conduct entrapment operations. So we have an agreement with the National Bureau of Investigation. I-renew natin yung agreement natin with the Philippine National Police kasi sila naman yung law enforcement agencies that are that has the power to conduct formal investigation, entrapment operation. Ang ginagawa lang po ng ARTA, pag-coordinate, collaborate with them, give them the tip or information, and then set up the entrapment operation. Tapos pag-filing of charges, we assist also either the NBI or the police in filing the appropriate charges before the prosecutor's office.